to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. We're back out in the farm, guys. I'm working on this D40 Nissan Navara. Specifically, we're going to be working on the diesel model. We're going to swap out the starter motor. This video is going to cover the auto, but I'd say manual auto. It's going to be almost exactly the same. They're going to be located in almost identical spots with the same 2 bolts you got to undo. I'll show you how to get all that done. Also, don't forget any video that Parts Factory or tutorial that we do, we sell the corresponding part as well. So if you do need this part, jump on the website. It's going to be about $198.30. Free postage anywhere in Australia. Yes, we have FedEx. We'll send it internationally, not a problem. Alrighty, guys. I'm expecting this one to take about 15 minutes. Pretty straightforward for a starter motor, but you are going to get a bit dirty because I can almost guarantee it's going to be pretty greasy under there. Alrighty, guys. Let's jump into it. Alrighty, guys. So I'm up underneath the car. This is your front. This is your auto trans. Your starter motor is right there. Now, to remove it, good news, it's that 14 on the right, the silver one, and that one there. 2 bolts, heaps of room under here. I've jacked up the car. You can use a jack, however the hell you want to get the car up in the air. Get it up in the air, but make sure it's safe. Then yeah, let's start with this wobbler rattle gun. I'm going to get this bottom one first because it's the harder one. Just go straight up in there like so. Make sure you're going lefty loose. Just going to twist it around. Yeah, just don't know how long the wires are. Let's see if they're long enough to bring it all the way down here. Maybe not. But what I do notice, so I've got the starter motor facing up in the air like that. And then if I look through there, you can go straight through, undo the terminals there, and then yeah, this starter motor is just going to drop straight out. So I'll get that done and I'll rendezvous back with you in a sec. Okay, so I'm now 3rd time's the charm. I'm going to see if I can crack it. I'm going to hold the starter motor up in the air and just go. Yep, that's cracked it. Try not to drop it in your eye. Yep, and then at that point, you pull your power cable off, and out comes your auto starter motor. Alrighty, guys, so as I said, we have got a bit greasy. It's very greasy under there with the diesels, but we've got it out nice and quick, fast. And here is the replacement, guys. Remember, this is for an automatic, and yeah, as you can see, they are a direct OEM replica part. We just replicate every single thing about them is exactly the same. Non-genuine, but they do have a 3-year warranty. So nothing to worry about. Now, I'm obviously not going to put this brand new, beautiful looking starter motor back in this greasy old car that's never going to run again. But I'm going to show you how to throw it back in. As you can already tell, it is just the same procedure in reverse. So I'm going to put it back up in that hole. First things first, let's chuck that positive wire back on, and then at that point throw it back up in the hole, do up the bolts, and we're good to go. So I've got the positive wire back on, guys. Then you can just grab the starter, twisting it around, getting it back in that hole nicely. It's a bit of a tight fit, but once you get it, sure enough, just goes back in nicely. You can see that up in there, can't you? Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so you grab your rattle gun once you've started it by hand, and then you finish it off. Just gotta get it to, oh, there it is. I had it a bit twisted. Yeah, so just make sure you're twisting it in the correct angle, and you'll feel the bolt kind of slot in, if you know what I mean. So I got that bottom one going in. Just twisting the starter motor as you kind of turn it, and once you got it to stick, that's it, guys. You just tighten it up, and yeah, go ahead and start your car up. Let me just finish it off, and I'll be with you in a sec. Alrighty, guys, all done. As I said, nice and easy. Literally a 10-minute job, which is absolutely fantastic. Got those 2 14s. Out she comes, in goes a new one, and hopefully happy days, guys. Back on the road, your trusty old Navara. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation story video. My name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.